If the probability mass function of a random variable capital X is given by P of x is equal to x is k into x square. X is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Find the value of k. P of 1 by 2 less than x less than 5 by 2 given x greater than 1, mean and variance of x. So we have to find out. Okay, so given probability mass function and the random variable x has only 4 values, therefore it is discrete random variable and it is probability mass function. Okay, so from the given data I am going to form a table. The table is okay, so this is x and this is P of x. X is 1, 2, 3 and 4. By putting x value is here, 1 is equal to here, so 1 square 1 into k, so P of x is k. And put x equal to 2 here, 2 square 4, so 4k. Put 3 square 9, so 9k. And 4 square 16, 16k. Okay, and in the probability mass function, since P of x is probability mass function, therefore sum of the probability is 1. So add all the probability value. So this is 20, 29, 30. Therefore sum of the probability is 30k is equal to 1. So which implies that k is equal to 1 by 30. So this is the value of k. So the first question is over. So next question I want to find out conditional probability. To apply the conditional probability, the formula is P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B, provided P of B is not equal to 0. So by using this, I am going to take this is A, so P of A given B. So take that P of 1 by 2 less than x less than 5 by 2 given x greater than 1. So by the formula P of A 1 by 2 less than x less than 5 by 2 A intersection B divided by P of B. Okay, so here to find the intersection of these two range, I am going to draw the diagram. So this is the range, plus infinity, here minus infinity, here 1 by 2, 1, 5 by 2, 1. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 is here, 1 is here, 5 by 2 is 2.5, so here. So the given range between 1 by 2 to 5 by 2. Between 1 by 2 to 5 by 2 is 1 by 2 to 5 by 2. And the next one greater than 1. So this is 1, greater than 1 is this, it covers entire region. Okay, so what is the intersection part? This is common portion. So between 1 to 5 by 2. So that for the numerator, P of 1 less than x less than 5 by 2. From the diagram between 1 and 5 by 2 divided by P of x greater than 1. So I am going to find out the numerator and denominator separately and then we can substitute here, so that you take it as equation number 1. Okay, so now I am going to find out the numerator value between 1 to 2.5. So what is 1 to 2.5? Between 1 to 2.5 means between 1 to 2.5 only 2. Therefore P of x is equal to 2, because not including 1, not including 5 by 2, therefore only 2. So from the table P of x equal to 2 is 4k. So 4k, but k already we found 1 by 30. Therefore 4 by 30 which is equal to 2 by 15. So this is the numerator value. Next I am going to find out the denominator value, which is x greater than 1. X greater than 1 not including 1, so 2, 3, 4. Therefore P of x is equal to 2, P of x is equal to 3 plus P of x is equal to 4. So from the table 2 is 4k, For 3 is 9k. For K4 is 16k. So adding this 29k. But k is 1 by 30. So 29 by 30. So we found numerator and denominator value. So substituting in 1. So our required value is equal to, numerator value is 2 by 15. Denominator value 29 by 30. So 2 by 15 into 30 by 29. So cancel this. We are getting this is this into this 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 by 29 is the our required value. Next I am going to find out mean and variance. So formula for mean is E of x is equal to, for the discrete random variable, sigma x into p of x. So from the table, what is that? This is x, this is p of x. So x into p of x means 1 into k, 2 into 4k, 3 into 9k, 4 into 16k. So that is 1 into p, x into p of x. So 1 into k plus 2 into 4k from the table plus 3 into 9k plus 4 into 16k. So now k plus 8k plus 27k plus 64k. So by adding all the value, you see 64, 27, 8 and 1. So adding all the value, you will be getting 100k. So 100k. So 100 into k value is 1 by 30. So finally answer is 10 by 3. It is a mean value. Next I want to find out variance. To find the variance, I want to find out E of x square. So next I am going to find out E of x square. The formula is sigma x square into p of x. X square means taking square, 1 square into k, 2 square into 4k, 3 square into 9k, 14, 4 square into 16k. So 1 square into k is k, 2 square, so 4 into 4k, 3 square, so 9 into 9k, plus 4 square into 16k, 16 into 16k. And now, so multiply and add, you will be getting 354. So 354k. But k is 1 by 30. So 354 into 1 by 30. By simplify this, you will be getting 59 by 5. 59 by 5. So this is E of x square. By using E of x and E of x square, I am going to find out variance of x. I am going to find variance of x. So variance of x is equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So E of x square 59 by 5 minus E of x is 10 by 3 the whole square. So 59 by 5 minus 100 divided by 9. 100 divided by 9. Okay, take LCM. So 45. So 59 into 9 is 531 minus 5 into 100, 500. So the answer is 31 by 45. So this is the variance of x. So we found a mean and variance. Mean is equal to 10 by 3 and variance is 31 by 45. So this is the answer of the problem.